Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Vantage to TradingView. Start by opening TradingView on your browser. Once the page loads, sign into your account using your email and password. After signing in, go to the main dashboard. From here, open any chart. You can select a chart by clicking on a market or symbol of your choice. Once the chart is open, wait for it to fully load on your screen. Now move your attention to the top right corner of the chart screen. You will see a button labeled Trade. Click on this Trade button. This will open a panel at the bottom of the screen where different broker options are listed. Inside this panel, you will find a search bar there. Click on the search bar and type Vantage. As you type, the platform will show matching results. When you see Vantage appear in the list, click on it. After selecting Vantage, you will see a Connect button. Click on the Connect button. A new tab or window will open in your browser. This is where you will log in to your Vantage account. Enter your Vantage login details carefully. Type in your registered email and your password. Make sure the information is correct to avoid any login errors. Once you have entered all the required details, click on the Connect button. After a few moments, your Vantage account will be successfully connected to TradingView. You can now start trading directly from the TradingView platform using your Vantage account. Thanks for watching.